Hello everyone and welcome to this video about the Focusrite Vocaster 1. So I'm gonna do a unboxing video of the Focusrite Vocaster 1. So let's unbox it. So here is the box and we should open it. Okay, so we have a box in a box. And here is the main box for the Vocaster 1. So let's open it. So we have this USB-C to USB-A cable, and here is the audio interface. It actually looks amazing, I think, and the dials feels really smooth. And here I have a shot of the inputs and outputs, and I think you also have this headphone output here. And here you have 3 buttons. I think it's the auto gain button, voice effect button, and the mute button. And then you have this light bars where you can see the gain level and change the gain of the mic. And then it's the headphone and speaker output volume dial. And then you have the power switch and also the phantom power, or the 38 volts power. So let's plug this in and see how it sounds. So this is how the Focusrite Vocaster 1 sounds. I think in a week or so I will upload video about what I think about it when I've used it more. So this is just a quick review, and when I'm a little bit more comfy with it, I'm going to make another video. If you like this video, please give me a like, and I see you in the next one.